Hello and welcome back to the brand new session. In this session, we will learn about Wondershare Filmora. So there are several video editing tools online or offline. Now you have so many beautiful mobile apps also where you can edit your videos. So I've tried several. I've tried more than 50 video editing tools, video editing software, mobile apps also. Why I like Wondershare Filmora? Because it gives you the ability to create and edit content for social media. See, Wondershare Filmora gives you the limited elements, limited functionalities, limited filters, but these limited features are more than enough to create content for social media. So it gives you so many AI tools also, which we will discuss and explore now. So let's first jump to their website and see what their pricing is. So this is their website. So here is the website. You just have to search for filmora.wondershare.com. I will also put the description. I will also put the link in the description. So when you come to the pricing page, you have three pricing models. First is the subscription plan for month on a year, and then you have the cross-platform for Windows and iOS and Android. So all platform, one plan, and then you have the perpetual and the lifetime plan. But the difference between the yearly plan and the lifetime plan is, in yearly plan, if there is any update, like the version update or a smaller, bigger update, you get it for free. Whereas with the perpetual plan, you only get the update of the current version. For example, your current version is 13, so you only enjoy Filmora 13 update. So for example, if there is Filmora 14 in the next 3 to 4 months or 6 months or whenever, you will have to pay extra to upgrade your plan to Filmora 14. Okay, but I've tried and used the yearly subscription, and it works wonderfully well because I have the Windows computer. Another thing is, when you buy Wondershare Filmora, there are two types of plans. First, you have taken the software for 1 year subscription. In that plan, you have enough free elements to use and create your amazing videos. But there are some additional bundles also for a pro plan where you get additional elements or additional effects. So there are enough extra elements that you can purchase at a single cost. You pay per month for that, and that gives you more elements, more effects, more of everything, to be honest. But I've tried it for a few months. I have never had the need to upgrade my plan to the pro where I require more features. When we get to the software, I'll explain you about that too. But the single year plan is good enough for you. The subscription plan that you pay about 3,000 something. Sometimes there are offers, so you can have a look. I'm recording it in May 2024. When you're taking this training, not sure about the pricing at that point in time, so you can have a look on the website and their offers. So one pro tip, that you do not buy it right away. You first create an account and try to use it for a few days. Within that period of time, you will get some offer from the company for sure, 10-20% discount offer. Like you see on the website also, you have right away 10% discount. So if you check out right away, you get 10% discount. And if I wait for another couple of days, I might get some 20 or 25% discount. So do not buy right away. Wait for a few hours or a couple of days to make the purchase. You can install the software, use it, because it also has a free plan where you do not have to pay anything. You can get used to the layout, get used to the features and functionalities, and then go ahead with the paid plan. Okay, so that was about Wondershare Filmora. In the next lesson, we will go through the software. So that was all about in this session. Let's get to the next one. I'll see you there.